Hi guys, and welcome back to NSM Delights YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing something different. Today my husband is going to be doing the voiceover. So let's begin with the video.
Hey, what's going on guys and girls? So basically what we're going to be doing now is making some vegetable stir-fried noodles. My wife's going to be telling me exactly the ingredients that she used. I'm going to act like I know what I'm doing, but obviously guys, you know I don't. So let's go ahead and get this video started. So the first thing you're going to need is any ready-made noodles. We've obviously got ready to wok medium noodles. You're going to need some mixed pepper stir-fry. So as you can see, my lovely wife is showing you the mixed peppers. You can pick them up from Aldi. Then we've got some onions. I'm assuming they're onions. Again, you can pick up onions from pretty much any supermarket. And then we've chopped them into small bits. We're using sweet and sour sauce, Asia. Again, you can use any sweet and sour sauce. And this is a chicken stock. It's basically for flavoring, guys. So I didn't know what it was, so I had to ask my wife. Right, so those are the primary ingredients that you need. Basic ingredients. So guys, this is a quick and easy 10-minute recipe. Anyone can do it. So we're going to start off with getting a pan and dripping in some olive oil. As you can see, we didn't really measure it, but you can judge by how much we put. It was only a couple of tablespoons. And we're obviously going to be spreading the olive oil within the pan. And now we're going to be adding our lovely chopped onions. And you're going to hear nice sizzling sound in the background. I did love these noodles, guys. They were amazing. Give it a nice stir, as my wife is doing. Right, guys, the next thing you want to add on top is the ginger and garlic paste into the pan. And you want to add that and mix it up with the lovely onions that we have. Again, that beautiful sizzling sound. Make sure it's blended well with the onions, as you can see, shown on the video by my lovely wife. And then the next thing you guys want to add is throwing in some chopped tomatoes. We forgot to mention this in the beginning. Apologies for that. Chopping them up and putting them in. And just give it a nice stir. Mix it in well with the flavors, guys. Again, I'm just watching what my wife is doing. No idea how to make this myself. It's good for eating. Right guys, it's now time to add in some salt, some turmeric, a bit of chili powder, some coriander powder, and a chicken stock cube. That's the thing that I was showing you guys in the beginning that I had no idea what it was. Add that in and start mixing all the flavors. Taste the rainbow. Just continue on stirring all the spices and salts and all the powders in the pot until it becomes a certain texture, which you're going to see in a moment. As you can hear that lovely sizzling sound in the background. What my wife did here is add a little bit of boiling water to prevent the food from sticking to the pan. What I did there, guys, is add the stir-fried vegetables, which I showed you guys in the beginning. I think we got an Aldi brand, but you can get it pretty much from anywhere. Obviously, guys, Aldi's in the UK. I'm not sure if it's overseas. I'm sure there's going to be some stores, but that's where we got it from. Give it a nice mix to get all that taste and texture within the stir-fried vegetables. And what we're going to do now, guys, is add some ready-made noodles. Yum yum. Again, give the noodles a mix within all of the lovely flavorings. And now we're going to add sweet and sour cooking sauce on top of that. So make sure you mix it first. And now we're going to add some sweet and sour cooking sauce. Again, we got this from Aldi, but you can use your own one. or you can even add your own flavored sauce, whichever you want to do. Give the sauce a good mix within the noodles and get all the flavors nice and blended in together. And the last step that we're going to do to make this a bon appetit is sprinkle some chopped onions onto it to give it that last bit of flavor. And there you have it, guys. Better than Gordon Ramsay. My mouth is watering right now because I'm hungry and I do want to eat this. And there you go, guys, an easy and lovely 10-minute quick recipe on how to make amazing, tasty, delicious noodles. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Comment down below if you have any questions about the ingredients, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day